Kajingbom yok lat bandra ya kamat ya kran hakador ka 0 hour notice hakaski basaw juga dorbar senra juga yang dorbar thawan ke jela Meghalaya haka arpu khandai tre unai lar arja arpu saw hlor ka jingkiu dor ki marba mardi bat Kiwei pat ki jingdon kam bapran kam man la kasngi uba Ardent mela basayo mon ulapen pau ka jing songkhia balapen kelas sendat ya ka hakador jong ka call attention notice da ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Secretariat hapakran sikilat pathai kubor uba Ardent ulaong bo menteri berikmi Tanat Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, uba coming one ambon, ulabu ika jupap chung halor ketika mat yakran hakamiat ke yang dorbar, bat benrap bakalong le no nomor Kham don ke jing yakran. Ulapen tip, bolapen krep bahaya ketika mat yakran, dak bapa jurip yaki brio chung hakeleng ki jaka ban lap yak jingki udor ki mar ki mata, tang haka jela, Henry Shabar jela ru kumjo. Ulaong, bakador kaya per na kawai ke jela sya kawai pat, bat ka Kham kiu ha Meghalaya.
This source of the statistics is being based on on the ground where I send my boys to collect the information, because I don't want to say anything from hearsay. This is the correct rate which I've sent my boys to collect. So you see, this issue is very important because it affects almost every families. It has hard hitting many families in the state. So I want to to inform the House the rate of these essential commodities, where I have made a comparative statement of these essential commodities, the difference in Mizoram, in Assam and Meghalaya. Tomato, the rate of tomato in Mizoram is 45 per kg, in Assam 40 per kg, and in Meghalaya 50 per kg. Green chili in Mizoram 80 per kg, in Assam 80 per kg, and in Meghalaya 110 per kg. Beetroot in Mizoram 40 per kg, Assam 45, and in Meghalaya 70 per kg. Bitter gourd, where we used to call Kerala, with the Khasis, 42 in Mizoram, 40 in Assam, and 50 per kg in Meghalaya. Bottle gourd, Kolong, 40 in Mizoram, 40 in Assam, and 60 per kg in Meghalaya. Cabbage, 35 in Mizoram, 37 in Assam, 40 in Meghalaya. Carrot, 70 in Mizoram, 65 in Assam, 90 rupees per kg in Meghalaya. French beans, 58 in Mizoram, 53 in Assam, 70 per kg in Meghalaya. Brinjal, 44 in Mizoram, 43 in Assam, and 50 per kg in Meghalaya. Cauliflower, 55 per kg in Mizoram, 50 per kg in Assam, and 80 rupees per kg in Meghalaya. Garlic, 186 per kg in Mizoram, 170 per kg in Assam, and 220 rupees per kg in Meghalaya. Ginger, 120 in Mizoram, 120 in Assam, and 180 per kg in Meghalaya. Ginger, 35 in Mizoram, 36 in Assam, 55 per kg in Meghalaya. Ivy gourd, patol, 40% or 40 rupees in Mizoram, 45 rupees per kg in Assam, and 60 per kg in Meghalaya. And this is the rate which I have compared with Nagaland, Mokochung, Meghalaya, and Assam. Most rice. In Nagaland, Mokochung, 40 rupees per kg. In Assam, in Meghalaya, 50 rupees per kg, and in Assam, 36 rupees per kg. Mustard oil, 155 per liter in Mokochung, 180 in Meghalaya per liter, and in Assam, 140. See the difference. Refined oil, 128 in Mokochung per liter, 150 in Meghalaya, that means Yodo market, Yodo rate, market rate, and the government rate, they are keeping 130, so the difference is 20, and in Assam 110. Chicken breast, 270 rupees per kg in Mokochung, 300 in Assam per kg, in Meghalaya I mean to say, and 260 rupees per kg in Assam. Pork, 350 per kg in Mokochung, 480 per kg in Meghalaya, 380 per kg in Assam. Beef 300 per kg in Mokochung, 500 in Yodo, that means in the Meghalaya rate, and 270 per kg in Assam. Potato 40 rupees in Mokochung, 40 rupees, that is almost the same in Meghalaya, and 29 in Assam. Onion 50 rupees in Mokochung, 60 in Meghalaya, 40 in Assam. Dal Masoor 110 per kg in Mokochung, 100 and 100 only in Meghalaya, 80 in Assam. Sugar 35 rupees in Mokochung, 48 in Meghalaya, and 47 per kg in Assam. This is the rate which I've just collected on the 24th of August. So you understand the problem faced by the people. People now, they are complaining, that they don't have anything, to live for a saving. So this is a very serious issue. The government has to intervene. The government maybe has to invoke the Essential Commodities Act, and the government will have to find out, because the people are suffering because of the skyrocketing on the essentials. So I feel this is very important. I should have been given a chance, but if the government if the speaker can convert, a zero honor test to call attention, why can't the speaker instruct the chief minister or one of the deputy chief minister to respond to my short duration discussion? So this is my stand.
Well, what is the source of these statistics?
Whether the government is aware that this is the Yodo rate, the market rate. What is the rate in the local village, in our localities? It must have been higher. This is the market, because Yodo rate is, you understand, is cheaper comparing to the locality rate. So imagine the locality rate. You will not get this rate that you get in Yodo. So this is serious and an issue that I feel I should be given or should be allowed to. Yeah, the government will have to study. The government will have to fix the rate and conduct inspection, and try to find a solution. Because sometimes people, they might not get a good rate from the market. So obviously they have to increase the rate for benefits. So the government will have to deal with this issue very seriously.
Kon ba iet ngi ju shat Jingphah man la kasngi hato ngi la ju perkhat ba kabam kabang ngi bam ka tain em ya kamet jungi
mai ngi ju bam ya kini ki ju ki Jingphah man la kasngi bale kane ka jing kali minta
ka to ka dukan ration ba penyai uba raju uya tho yanga
Nrai man kapor nyim ju yo ai ka Jingphah ki batai kamet ki balong ka daw jong ka Jingphah anemia pat ka Jingbrie jong ki khmat
ba kumnu ngan lai na kini ki jing stam
Kong Nangkong pide ban penmelian ban bam ya ki Jingphah ki bapha hakrukam bam jongpi bunsen ki longkmi bat ki khulung khana ki yo ya kini ki Jingphah namar kim yo ya ka Jingphah bantei ya kamen ka sarkar kelas dang ya ka food fortification ha ukhau ata melu kadut bat ka umpnyang bam baro kindon ka Jingphah ka bantei kum ka iron folic acid vitamin B12 iodine zinc vitamin A bat vitamin D. Yakini baro pila banyo na ki Jingphah badi haki dukan ration.
kata kamut ngi dan yu khau 45 babyang bhabat ngi
mai uni khau tu bai biang ba pitharai baro kin bang ban ba mi uni
kon ka fortification jong khau kanum khata ya ka Jingmat ba ka Jinglong Jingman jong khau
mai karukam ban bu ya ki ba karukam shet pat kala ban pher
dei khon dan jinga pher la da dei ha karukom bu ne rukom shet kum ba fi ju shet yu khau ba fithian kum ju ru la shet ya uni u khau
okum ta
te khon ka Jingphah ba ai ka kwat ka khya bat ka ba ai bor ka met ka phat bat ka bor per khat jungi hato dang dan ki Jingphah ba kham bha ban ya uni
hoit mai fikran ya ka ba dei sisha
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya